It's me again, CeCe, and we are finally out of our room and exploring. It's been a crazy couple of hours. We really had to get settled in. Y'all got to realize we've never cruised this cruise ship before, and we're already starting to see quite some differences. Like, for real, like seriously, it's different. So even though it's not our first time cruising, it's kind of a lot to take in. I mean, this is definitely on the level. I think really even the little bit that we had to walk us to get to our must stay, she was like, oh, this is different. This is different.
Let's show them some of the difference right here. Just even some as simple as this.
Let's show you this. So love this right here. So as you can see, this is touchscreen actually. Touch here, and then they have all the different languages. So this is such a cool option right here. It shows you where we're at. You can do services. You can plan and book. So let's say you want a specialty restaurant. Look, all of that, and they actually say it's closed for now. So, it's just pretty much just showing you like what's open. I mean, seriously, come on now, look at this. You could plan and book excursions. I mean, this is just amazing. So even just the touchscreen, something like that, so far it's just been like, whoa. This is sensory overload, like for real, y'all. So come with us. We just gonna explore and see what this amazing, beautiful ship has to offer. So come and look at this. This is up here. This is overlooking the main area. Do they call it promenade here? I don't know if they have like a private event set up in here. Y'all, I'm like seriously blown away by this.
Let me take a look. Look at that.
But this is the main event right here. That LED ceiling, it is just so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't even feel like I'm on a cruise ship, like at all. Like, would you say like this don't feel like just this area right here? It don't feel like you're on a ship. Like
not at all.
It feels crazy. And then looks like we could walk up through here. So
let's go.
Yeah. Look at this in here. Okay, so maybe this is just a pub, but that is really nice in here. Look.
Go in here real quick.
Let's go in and check it out. Can perform, or like looks like they probably have somebody singing. Hey, this is nice. This is very nice, I would say, for sure. Let's go ahead.
Nice little
the
anchor.
decor just by itself.
Yeah, guys.
This decor is it's so beautiful. Like, I cannot say it enough. Like, I don't feel like I'm on a ship.
What's going on? What's going on? Following CeCe wherever she goes is where I go, guys.
It's so much sensory overload right now. I mean, like, look at this. It's the little details. Like, are they real? Oh, they're not real. I didn't know, but yes, look at that. That's customer service down there, I believe. I mean, it says excursions, but I think that's also too where you can, or no, I'm sorry. It looks like that's just excursions maybe, but they got that.
So excursions right there. Okay.
Yep. And look over here. Looks like they got some sushi going on over here on the far right, so we can ready to check that out.
Okay, let's go.
You know, at first, like on cruise days, sometimes be so much craziness, so it's like you don't really process that you're gonna be on the ship until you're on here. Now that I'm on here, I'm like, now that I'm on here, I'm just like, this is a lot. I think we're gonna have a good time. I mean, we're gonna be recording and we're gonna take y'all along with us. But I'm definitely looking forward to just kind of chilling. So come on, let's go.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on?
It's so good. So this is obviously the sushi spot, the sushi bar. I forget what it's called. Okay, and this is the tapping. I can never say it right. Tapping. Y'all know where they cook in front of you. You know what I'm saying? Like the hibachi. There you go.
The fuck is it? Tabachi?
No, I'm saying this what it's called. It's called
Oh,
takoyaki.
okay. Oh, this is a restaurant.
Yes.
I'm like, that is not the technology.
No, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So this is actually one of the specialty restaurants here at MSC. Also, too, what's really cool is that they do have a package that you can get where you can bundle like 3 or 4 of their different specialty restaurants. You just pay a price and then you know, set up your reservations each night. So, but I mean, y'all know I'm loving this decor. Y'all know orange is one of my favorite colors, so this is a vibe right now in here. I love this. That just looks so good. Like that's a vibe in here. Oh, okay. I was talking about the steakhouse butcher's cut. It's right over here, so it's really right across the way. I thought that's so cool how they have it to where like some of the seating is like out there on the balcony. So like while you're eating, if you want to look over this beautiful, I guess this would be considered like their promenade area. I think that's so cool. It's just picturesque in here. I feel like I didn't bring enough stuff to dress. Like this is a cruise ship. I feel like you come, you get some of your good clothes on, and you have a photo shoot up in here. Okay, I'm just saying. Look at this is a vibe. This is a street vibe in here. I feel like I should have got more Dougie. I'm just saying. Oh, that's real. That's real.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really real. I thought it was just like props. This really on the
No way.
It's really on the rocks. Okay, I see. So this is one of their bars, it looks like. They got the thing where you can scan it and get the menu. So that's pretty dope. In MSC, they do offer drink and beverage packages for those who like to dig into libations.
Okay, there goes a ducked off elevator right here.
Yes, it is.
Nobody's here. I would definitely recommend you guys to come. I don't know what this room is called. I guess I need to find out because nobody is over here.
It's not. But like, look at this. I mean, it's just picturesque. I just can't get over how.
Look at all this.
I just can't get over how picturesque all of this is.
Go down, show you this
Like,
corner.
I feel like I need to book another MSC trip just so I can come back with some outfits and turn this into a whole situation.
They got the ocean right here.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Yes, it is crazy.
It's super crazy.
In a good way, guys, not in a bad way. This is just one floor. Again, we haven't even hit
Man.
we haven't even touched. We haven't did anything yet.
At all. But this is the part right here that, you know, when I was doing my research, everybody, I mean, this is the famous, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's Swarovski crystals in this staircase. I mean, I'm pretty much already getting this ready for when I, you know, build my $1 million house. So when I get my multi-million-dollar mansion, you guys, this is it right here, Swarovski crystals, the bling bling queen. Let's go down. I mean, this is a photo shoot right here immediately. You might want to come back and book one and do some of your music videos on here. I'm just saying. Opulence. Opulence. This is opulence right here. Look at this beautiful bar over here. I love lights. You can really reel me in with some nice LED lights.
Oh, that was Swarovski.
Oh, okay. So this is, you know what I'm saying, this is what really gonna take me, you know, on one of these days, you know. Ain't that right?
Nah, because you got real stones. We don't need Swarovski. Swarovski is just, that's for women that can't get the real diamonds.
I love me a good Swarovski.
I mean, that's right. I'm saying
for
not for that though. You know what I'm saying? But if you want some costume jewelry, we got you. That's what you looking for. Then
they even got the little sets out. I mean, some of those look really nice. If you just looking, oh look, Buy two for 35, and they got a deal going on right now, and it's duty free at that. So two for 35. Okay. You want to bling bling out right quick? I mean, I don't even really drink like that, but this would be a good. Oh, hold on, we're moving. Look, we're moving.
Are we moving? Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. I think we need to go on upstairs then.
We might need to go upstairs.
All right. All right, guys. Well, we about to take a quick
Break.
detour.
Yes.
We will see you guys once we hit the top deck.
Yes. Let's go.
Hey, what are you doing, sweetie?
Oh, sorry. I'm just like, I'm overwhelmed. I'm really overwhelmed. I'm not gonna lie, it's like hard to film and take everything in at the same time. I'm doing it, we're doing it for y'all, but this is like beautiful. It don't feel like a cruise ship. Like, this is different. Like I said, we've only cruised Carnival, y'all, so some of y'all are like, that's not nothing. You have to realize we've only done Carnival before, so I mean, seriously, I mean, I don't know. I'm overwhelmed. Let me get your take here. Let me, yeah.
Look here,
on you
man.
a little bit, cause
Look here, man. This is amazing, guys. From what I'm seeing and what I'm witnessing, this is some luxury ass shit going on here. It really is some luxury type stuff going on right now, and I'm just, like I said, I'm taking it all in. But so far so good. So far,
it's a view.
10 out of 10. The views, the views in itself, I'm all about like a good view. And the view is just bar none, something you just can't get any and everywhere. So that's my take.
Yeah. So I'll show y'all right quick. And I love, like, so I think this is what would be more so like the Serenity part. I think this is the adults only section. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, this might be the adults only section. They have a hot tub. They have 2 hot tubs here. And they just have like a nice Serenity, you know, pool. But it's just, I mean, look at this waterfall. I mean, really, y'all? Woman. Like, I'm already like, okay, I know what ship to come on if I just want to like just feel like the devil wears Prada. I mean, when we're on our Meryl Streep, I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? And oh my goodness, I love it. I'm looking at all this decoration and I'm thinking like stuff that I want in my multi-million-dollar house. You know what I'm saying? You gotta manifest it, right? You gotta speak it into existence. So Rilla, Poppy, we gonna get this in our house?
Oh, 100%.
This is beautiful.
This ain't gonna be shit compared to what we gonna have. Yeah. Let me get a view of this right here. So this when she was talking about the pool right here, guys. The pool was stunning.
I don't even like getting on pools on cruise ships, but this might be one that I might get. I just like it because it's not a lot of people. You see, it's like nobody in there.
Beautiful skies today.
It is.
That nice little view right here.
I think another thing I'm really enjoying is that even though this is like a really big ship, this ship holds 4,500 passengers. Our last ship, Carnival Paradise, if y'all haven't watched it already, check it out. That one, the capacity for that was only like 2,100. So we have already doubled that. I don't know if this is full capacity, but I say that to say that, I mean, you have spaces. You see what I'm saying? Look at these spaces, plenty of chairs where, you know, you can still find that piece. So look at this. Again, picturesque. I mean, look. I mean, I'm just saying, like, I should have brought something more, you know, bedazzled because I just, y'all probably gonna hear me just be super wowed the whole time. So if y'all already sick of it or if you're not ready for it, shut it off. Cause I'm thrilled. I have no words. Y'all see, I'm like lack of words right now. I don't even know the words. I don't even know where are we going.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Let's go.
Following you.
Oh my God.
Oh Lord, did you get that on camera? Did
What?
you get that? You ain't see him? He almost fell up the steps.
That probably is on camera. Shit.
So to all my drinkers, there's another bar right here. Get down.
Bamboo bar. There's another touchscreen. These are everywhere, guys.
Yeah.